Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with some kitchen tips and tricks. Well, if you're looking to spice up your kitchen, here's essential spices you'll need to keep on hand for everyday cooking. The first on the A list is salt and pepper. I like sea salt and kosher salt better for cooking, and to have a good grinder on hand is always a good idea. Moving into our B's, it's the Italian family of basil. Now, fresh basil can be right in your herb garden, and you'll need less of fresh basil than you will of dried or even packaged. But remember, basil's big brother is oregano, and they work hand in hand in a lot of Italian cooking. Moving into our C's is my favorite, fresh cilantro, which kind of goes south of the border into Mexico. Whether you use it in package that it's already ready to use or you chop it fresh, it'll really add some zest to any meal. More C's in the family: cumin, chili powder, and cumin. Great spices for almost every style of cooking. Let's move into the big G's: garlic and ginger. Now, fresh ginger you'll need to peel and chop, or you can get it already prepared to use easily. And the same thing with garlic. I like to keep a jar of garlic on hand, whether I've chopped it up myself fresh or buy it this way, because it really adds to almost every recipe. Parsley is another great spice to keep on hand. It's actually an herb that really flavors and freshens things up. And don't forget, you'll need a little paprika and red pepper to round out your spice cabinet. I'm Andrea Metcalf. These are some spices you can't live without, and neither can your kitchen. Be healthy and be moved.